How's it going, everybody? Zach here at MarineMax Coco. And today I'm going to give you a quick run through on this 2025 Boston Whaler 15 Montauk. It's one of my favorite boats by Boston Whaler. We sell a ton of these things, and there's a good reason why. This is in the white hull color with a black stainless steel insert. You've got a nice binoini top up top, plenty of sun protection, chrome decals, powered by a 60 horsepower Mercury outboard. This boat does have the fishing package, so you've got your live well right there, 12-gallon fuel tank. You do have a Simrad display and a JL audio head unit. Your cooler up front, rod holders, and it is pre-plumbed for a trolling motor. This thing's a fishing machine, perfect for a day out on the Indian River here in Brevard County. If you'd like to take a look at this boat or have any questions, you can give us a call at 321-636-3142, or you can come see us in person. Thanks, guys. Have a good one.